Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have a new doll. Love Jaylah's here. Let's open her up. So for those who are into boxes, here's a quick look at her box. And yeah, I cannot believe that she just shipped less than a week ago from Japan. And she's here in Florida already. I mean, that's pretty amazing. So she's supposed to have a Y2K vibe to her, sort of a 90s, which I totally see. Yeah, I don't know, I kind of feel like there's a mixture of the 80s and the 90s because of some of her clothing, but she's definitely a Y2K chickaroonie. All right, and I've already undone the top here. Here is the little plastic thingy, or it's not the plastic thing. It's a cardboard cutout that goes on top of her the plastic part of her stand. And these actually are a good idea. I used to not save them, and now I do, because you do not want your plastic feet of your doll to stick on the plastic of the stand for too long, if you can help it. So the inside's all purpley. Purple and pink, yeah, those are kind of my jam there. And quick note, many years ago, I was in my early 20s. You can fast forward if you don't want to hear this. It's a little story. This is some reason why she kind of spoke to me a little bit, other than the tan, body, the dark-skinned body. But yeah, so years ago, I was in my early 20s. I was waitressing, also going to college, and I worked at this little pub. And actually, I think I worked at a couple of restaurants. But anyway, I was working at the pub, and I was wearing, you could wear whatever clothes you wanted. They didn't have uniforms or anything like that, though they did have, restrictions about what we could wear. We couldn't wear super short shorts and things like that. So the proprietors were quite strict about certain things. And one day, the owner commented that she noticed I had worn pink like every day that week, and it seemed to bother her. And then somebody else said something there, and it seemed to bother them. And I thought, you know what? I wonder how long I could wear pink every day. I wonder if I could wear pink every day and see how long I could keep that up. And I did it for a year. I wore pink every day for a year. It drove people crazy for some reason. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to take out some of the stock here while I'm talking to you. But this doll is so cute. So she is the first release for 2025. And I am going to do a follow-up video and compare her to 20 Years of Love, because they're supposed to have the same, the same skin tone. They don't have the same faceplate, from what I remember. Let me take all the rest of this out off camera, and I'll be back to show you the doll and the stock. She actually comes with 2 outfits, so that's pretty cool. All right, hopefully the lighting is okay. These darker dolls, I really struggle with filming them. All right, so let's look at her outfits real quick. She has 2 outfits. Obviously, this cute white bucket hat goes with the outfit that she's already wearing. She has plastic all over her. She has the regular granny panties here. And this is like a sweater. This feels like sweater fabric here. So very soft. Kind of gives me a similar vibe to my Nema doll that I just got. Soft Stuff Nema. Maybe they'll do a video together. All right, so she's got the dress. This is attached to the dress, this little piece here. Got the bucket hat. And then she has some black stockings. They're semi-stretchy, all right? And these boots, which do not have a slit in the back. I hope I can get them on her okay. It's kind of, usually they have these type of doll boots would have a slit in the back, but they have quite a bit of, they have like a faux stitching here. Can you see that? So there's some detail on these little boots. And I believe these go up to her knees. Yeah, so they're going to go up to her knees. And then the stockings, I think, are supposed to be a little bit longer. All right. So that's her white outfit with the black boots. And then she's got her pink outfit, which I would have totally worn this back in the day. She's got this little off-the-shoulder, bright pink crop top Okay, very cute with a little buckle here. And then these tie-dye pants are interesting. So there's like a little bit of elastic here. Is it on both ends? Yeah, on both sides. So it has a crunchy, sort of a baggy look to them. That's interesting, huh? So yeah, both sides have this elastic. The outside, I thought it was just on the outside, but it's also in the inside. All right, so, and then you've got little cargo style pockets, and they are working pockets. Wow, that's nice. A little faux button, got a star on it. And then it velcros in the back. And these super adorable pink tennis shoes. So yeah, I was the wearer of pink tennis shoes as well. So, and then this is a super bright pink, bubblegum pink stand. I like it. And then, of course, we've got some socks here for the tennis shoes. So hopefully the socks will fit inside the tennis shoes once I get them on her feet. All right, and then as far as the doll goes, let's check out her hair. Oh, she does have these little silver heart earrings. And I believe she has, I'll have to take all her clothes off, but yes, she does have a manicure. All right. But let's check her hair out. That's the big question. From what I've seen of other people who already got the doll and have been showing her on social media, her hair is not too bad. But this is the big reveal. Huh. No, not bad. Doesn't feel, I mean, there's a little bit of greasiness to it, but I think it's okay. It's not too bad. I think with some brushing, it's going to probably be fine. Let's get her hair off. Now, if you remember, I don't know if you guys saw this or not, but her original leaked rendering showed her with very light blonde hair, like Asha Elvira's hair. And then she ended up with this ash blonde color, to everyone's surprise. But very cute. Very, very, very cute. She's got these side caramel sort of colored eyes. No fancy pull ring, but it is the same skin tone. Dark eyelids and eyelashes. Yeah, her eyelashes are black and they're tapered. Woo, look at those. Wow. Those are really pretty. These are very, very dark. I don't know if they're supposed to be black or brown. I can't remember. Like I said, I'll do a follow-up and give you all the stats, but if you look on Junie Moon or CC Toys, they'll have all the info about these dolls. And as I film this, I believe they still are available. They did not sell out. Woo, bright green. Ooh, I like these. I know some of these are special eye chips, and I want to say all of them are, actually, because they all look different to me. Not something you would see on a regular release. And she's got the puffy lips. Some people were concerned she was going to sort of have a yellow tint to her. But to me, I don't feel like she's got a yellow tint at all. She's definitely, her skin tone's supposed to be chocolate colored. And I would say, yes, it's a very milky chocolate, a light chocolate colored. She's gorgeous. She's really pretty. All right. Oh, how cute. How cute. Welcome. You got here so fast. Oh. All right, so let me go take the plastic off, and I'll run a brush through her hair and be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I got all her plastic off. Got her boots on. These popped on, no problem. Socks are a little fiddly to get up because they kind of stick on her legs. I need to mess with those a little bit more, but yeah, she's got these really cute earrings. You can see now that her plastic's off. She does have, it's very, very faint. I don't even know if you can see it on the camera, but she does have fingernail polish on her nails. It's like a very pale, sort of peachy pink. Yeah. And her hair, yes, yes, she has some amazing hair. I brushed it out. It feels really good. I mean, thank you so much, Good Smile Company and CWC and Junie Moon and Junko Wong for finally giving us some dolls with some decent hair, because the last few dolls that I've gotten that were from Good Smile had really good hair. They did not need to be spot, and I really, really appreciate that. All I did was brush her hair out right here like this. Pulled it out, brushed it out, and it looks really good. It feels really good. It's got a nice thickness to it. It's pretty thick, I have to say. She's got a lot of hair. Beautiful color. Yeah. They did a really good job. She is so adorable. So yeah, and here is the hat. It is lined. Again, Good Smile Company has stepped up as far as the stock goes. And this looks so, so cute on her. Look how adorable. Very cute doll. I'm super happy with her. Super happy. Great stock all around. Beautiful dress. I'm going to leave her in this for a little while. It's kind of late now. I've been working all day and came home and tried to film this quickly to get it up quickly. Okay. But I will do another video or two with her following up. I wanted to put her in this outfit, and I want to do a comparison with her in 20 Years of Love. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Did you get this doll? Have you been thinking of getting her? What are your thoughts on Love, Jaylah? As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.